Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Derma Co Vitamin C Serum effectively. First, ensure your face is completely clean. Use your regular cleanser to remove any makeup or impurities. Next, make sure your skin is dry. This helps the serum penetrate better. Dispense a small amount, usually 2 to 3 drops, into your palm. This is generally enough for your entire face and neck, ensuring you don't waste product. Once you have the serum in your hand, gently pat it onto your face and neck. Use your fingertips to spread it evenly. Avoid rubbing too vigorously, as this can cause unnecessary friction and potentially irritate your skin. The goal is a gentle application. Give the serum about 1 to 2 minutes to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to the next step in your routine. This ensures maximum efficacy. For optimal results, apply your vitamin C serum once daily. Many people prefer using it in the morning to leverage its antioxidant benefits throughout the day. After the serum has absorbed, follow up with a good moisturizer to lock in hydration and create a protective barrier. Crucially, always finish your morning routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, ideally with an SPF of 30 or higher, to protect your skin from sun damage. Consistent use of the Derma Co Vitamin C Serum can lead to brighter skin and a reduction in the appearance of dark spots. It also provides excellent antioxidant protection against environmental stressors like pollution. To maintain the serum's potency, always store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. This helps prevent oxidation and ensures the product remains effective for its full shelf life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.